Good morning! It's immunization day today. So I woke up 5:20 a.m. and first thing is to prepare myself. I'm gonna wash my face because I already took a bath yesterday night and feel ako fresh gyapon ko. So yes, I'm using CeraVe products on my face. Then next, gonna brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, mag-breakfast na. I got this hamonado, chicken hamonado, and then a chocolate milk drink. Some of you would say, "Hala, nag-brush lagi na siya una sa iyang teeth before nag-breakfast." Well, inanaampog ko. Nag-brush lang yun ko una. It's so nice waking up before the sun fully rises, gyud no. Medyo nag-iingon sa ako ang grandma. So yeah, let's pack our sun's essentials. So before he takes his bath, ginabutangan ako ni siya oil sa iyang hair para smooth. And then yep, packing all his stuff. The burp cloth, the muslin blanket, wipes. We have here his diapers, the changing spray, and then the diaper pad, the after shots, and the thermometer. Also his baby book, and then his bottle. That's it. I'm going now. Getting ourselves comfy. We're here na sa health center, waiting for our turn. He got the Penta vaccine and then the anti-polio and then I forgot the other one. Jollibee muna. Bye!